couple days ago, Claude Code launched a new feature called Agents. And today in this video, I want to share how you can set up SubAgents to improve your productivity using Claude Code. If you're new here, I'm June, building multi-SaaS products in AI agency solo. I use AI to replace what used to take entire teams, and I share everything so that you can do the same. Hit subscribe my channel, my newsletter link in the description. Without further ado, let's dive in. So let's look at Anthropic official documents first. It says SubAgent, you can create a new specialized AI subagent for a specific task. My next question was then what is the difference between subagents and slash commands that you can customize to your context and needs? And it said has purpose, expertise area, but the best thing here is use own context window separate from main conversation. So in the slash commands, you always share the context of the master, the main conversation. So your context can be mixed and confused Claude Code, but here using subagent, you can have your own context for each subagent. This is a big thing because then you can actually chain subagents, let's say do review code, write the test code and optimize it and write release notes. You can also ask them separately. I will show you that. Now we're in the terminal and I want to show you how you can create subagents and potentially customize to your needs. You're in the Claude Code and try agents. And as you can see, I already have my own custom commands, but agents, I have not created anything here. It actually has some recommendations, code reviewer, code simplifier, security reviewer, tech lead, UX reviewer. So step one is choose locations. You can put it in entire Claude or each project. So I will choose this project and recommend it again, generate with Claude. And here describe what this agent should do. You can do a one-line prompt, and from there you can iterate and you can see how it works and customize further. Expert software engineer, that is very good at code review. Here now, the next step is select tools. You can do all tools, read only, edit tools, execution, and other tool. But here, once you check off all tools, you can select. For example, code reviewer, I don't want it to modify my code base. I only want it to read my code base and evaluate it without modifying it. So I will choose read only and maybe MCP. And here, continue. It show me like which color. It will show the colorized bar when they execute it, so you can visually understand, okay, we are using now code reviewer, maybe release note writer, etc. So I will do green. Here it show me final step, confirm. I will save in this here, and it will use these type of tools to read and fetch and grab it. This totally makes sense. And it says, use this agent when you need expert code review for recently written code. So my idea is whenever I'm done with the new feature, bug fixes, I will run this one for the first initial code review, and then I will fix it. Then I will deploy here system prompts. You're elite software engineer with 15 years of experience, multiple language programming, frameworks, yada, yada, yada. And it says press enter to save, edit to it here, and ESCs to cancel. So I edit it. And here now is successfully created. So now we have general purpose agent and code reviewer expert. So if I go back here and manage agents, yeah, we can see it here. Now I'm in my beam here, and it showed me review methodology. First, understand the code, context, analyze it, evaluate it, assess it, suggest concrete improvements with examples. Honestly, this is how I do code review when I was at workplace. This is very correct. Here, review guideline, be specific, be constructive, be pragmatic. Yeah, I love it actually. So the way you can use it here is coming back. Let's assume that you changed something, and can I do like this? I don't think so. So what I can do is using code review expert. Could you review recent updates? Did you see this green part? So it shows code review expert to perform a thorough review of these recent changes. So it goes to 3 files that I made changes for the last commit, and it's working behind the scene now. So now let's try to create just another agent. So here, agents, create new agents. Now you know it here in expert, technical writer about a new release, no. So this will be part of my workflow after making changes, code reviewers, optimize it, fix it. Then the final part before I deploy it, I want to update my release note. That is why I create this one. In our final session, I want to show you how we can chain all of these sub-agents all together that will work seamlessly. Here, so I think now I will just do this in yellow and enter created agent release notes right here. Release note writer agent. Now we do have this one. Your core responsibility is accessible notes. So I will just keep this one for simplicity. Now I want to see we can chain these 2 separate agents. So could you do review using review expert agents and use review writer agent to write a document about the recent changes. And my idea was it goes first agent and we are waiting and do the second agent for me. It goes with the first one. For the sake of time, I skipped the time, but actually what happened was it goes with the code review expert first, and it successfully called the next agent release notes agents. And then it create a release note. It changed the version to 3.2.0 for my thread site. So we figure out we can actually chain them in a very simple prompt. Let's go back to a canvas before I finish this video. Before this video, I've used custom commands to order Claude Code to run specific tasks for me. But now I just change over to agents, and I will change all of them into agents, because the agents, we don't have to share the context, meaning that each agent will have their own context, like this. Agent 1, Agent 2, Agent 3 will have different contexts, meaning that you can easily parallel each task without worrying about context being messed up and make your code base more spaghetti. So I want you to remember this before ending this video. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and newsletter, and see you in the next video.